A very warm welcome to Must Know Topics. In this particular series, I'll be taking down various lecturate and GD topics which will be helpful in preparing for various government competitive examinations, including Service Selection Board interviews. The topic that I'll be taking today will be India and the CTBT, and this will be the 17th lecturate of the series. I'll be covering this particular topic in 5 subdivisions, that is introduction part, followed by partial test ban treaty, then nuclear non-proliferation treaty, then comprehensive nuclear test ban treaty, and finally the conclusion part. Coming to the introduction part, India's nuclear program started in the year 1944. It was established by Dr. Omi Baba, and in the year 1974 India conducted its first nuclear test, which actually failed and was named as Smiling Buddha. Moreover, in the year 1998, the first successful nuclear test was conducted at the Pokhran range, and the operation name was Operation Shakti. Now, basically, in the year 1963, there was a partial test ban treaty, according to which all nuclear tests were banned except the one which can be conducted underground, and this did not have any effect on the future nuclear programs. Moreover, in the year 1999, after conducting the first successful nuclear test by India drafted its own policy that was named as India No First Use Policy, as per which India will not use its nuclear weapon at first, rather it will use it only for deterrence purpose. Then came the Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty. Now, basically, the idea of Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty was to prevent the spreading of nuclear weapon for ensuring peace across the nation. Now, moreover, the treaty establishes a safeguard system under the responsibility of IAEA. This is International Atomic Energy Agency. Now, basically, this Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty was opened for signature in the year 1968, and then it entered into force in 1970, and in the year 1995, this treaty was extended indefinitely. Now, basically, there were 3 countries which did not sign the pact, that was India, Pakistan, and Israel. They did not sign this pact. And yes, the next is the Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Treaty, or the CTBT. Now, basically, it is a multilateral treaty banning all explosions for both civilian and military purposes. Now, it has been adopted by UNGA, that is United Nations General Assembly, and was opened for signature on 24 September 1996. Now, the CTBT, this Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Treaty, has around 183 signatories. That means 183 countries have signed the CTBT, and 163 ratifications is widely supported. Moreover, any treaty which is signed has to be ratified for implementation purpose, and it can only enter into force if it is ratified by 8 countries with nuclear technology capacity, that is Egypt, India, Pakistan, China, USA, Iran, Israel, and North Korea. Now, CTBT organization was established in Vienna, and moreover, if we consider this CTBT, this was signed by China, but this has not been ratified by China. And as I mentioned earlier, that for this to be implemented, it has to be ratified, and it can only be ratified by 8 countries, as I mentioned, and India is one among them. So, since China did not ratify it, it has a potential military threat as well. Now, basically, India did not support the Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Treaty because there was a complete nuclear disarmament. Now, if India would have signed this CTBT, then it would have affected the nuclear testing. For example, according to this particular treaty, no country can carry out any nuclear test, either for civilian purpose or either for military purpose. So there will be a complete nuclear disarmament, and that is the reason why India did not sign this CTBT. Moreover, it was discriminatory in nature. That means basically there were countries which had already conducted more number of nuclear tests. For example, US, China, Russia, UK, all these had conducted many nuclear tests, and India had only conducted its first nuclear test of three nuclear missiles. And India, if India would have signed this pact, they would have not got the permission to conduct more tests. So they found it discriminatory in nature. Moreover, this did not allow other countries to conduct nuclear tests. And since India is having a potential nuclear threat, that is Pakistan and China as its neighbor, it is very much important. It was very much important for India to ensure peace, and that is one of the major reasons why India did not sign this CTBT. Now basically even Pakistan has not signed the CTBT, as I had mentioned earlier, because it would block Pakistan from conducting more nuclear tests. So I hope this topic would have been useful. In case you like this video, do hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.